Inventory Pro AI Assistant is now more than a chat box. It can answer business questions, create records, show action chips, and keep in-action logs so managers can see exactly what happened. Start with read-only business intelligence. Ask about low stock, sales, best sellers, customer dues, and reorder risk. The assistant explains live shop data in plain language before taking any action. Now create a product by natural language. Give the product name, SKU, cost price, sale price, unit, and reorder level. The assistant calls the Real Product API and shows a created product chip. Purchase planning is also supported. Ask the assistant to create a purchase order using an existing supplier and product from the shop snapshot, then it records the action result in the chat. For warehouse control, ask for a stock adjustment. The assistant can increase or decrease quantity with a reason, using the same stock adjustment endpoint and permission checks as a manual user. The assistant can create sales invoices too. Ask it to bill a customer for selected products and payment method, and it will use the sales invoice endpoint on behalf of the signed-in user. Every right action appears under the assistant answer as a green or red action chip. Green means the record was created successfully. Red means the backend rejected the request and the reason is shown. Open the action log to review everything the assistant did. Admins can see the tool name, user, timestamp, success or failure, and backend result summary for after-the-fact visibility. Provider settings let admins choose Anthropic, OpenAI, OpenRouter, local Ollama, or Azure OpenAI. Reliable tool calling depends on the selected model, so stronger hosted models are best for actions. In summary, the AI assistant can analyze live business data and create products, purchase orders, stock adjustments, and sales invoices. It uses existing permissions and logs every action for accountability.